Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to discuss interpolate function in Pandas. Okay. So basically, interpolate function is used to fill the NaN value in our data frame or series. As we have our data frame, and if we have an NaN value in our data frame, to fill those value, which is type of NaN, not a null, not a numeric type of value, we use a interpolate function. Okay. How to use the interpolate function in pandas. So for this, first we need to import pandas library in our Jupyter notebook. So first we write here import pandas as notation, suppose a pd, because we use a pd as a shortcut of pandas because it is a universal notation. You can use any notation in place of pd. Okay, and then run. Now, first we need to import our data because our data in CSV file, comma separated file. So first we need to import load data. Okay, so how to load our data? You can see my previous video how to load our data. So first to load the CSV file, first we need to write here. Suppose data frame name is df equal to read underscore csv. We write read underscore csv, and then here we need to pass our path because I have already copied our path, so we need to paste here. Okay. So sorry, we write here this pd dot read because we use the pandas library. So we write here pd dot read underscore csv and pass our path, our data path, because my data is iris data with extension is csv comma separated file. Okay, now run this. So first we need here to see our data. First we need to write here df, our data frame name, and then run this program. Okay, as you can see, our data is loaded, and you can see there are so many nan type value in our data. Okay, so to fill this nan type of value, we use the interpolate function. Okay, now we call our interpolate function. So because our data frame name is df, so we write here df dot interpolate, and simply we write our data frame name dot interpolate. The interpolate function gets the value in the place of nan value. This function guess how it is guess the value, that is the epochs. What is the value to fill nan value? It see like in a sequence, suppose 3.1, and so what is the value come here 9 nan in the place of nan. Okay, so first we need to run this program and see. Okay, now you can see in our previous data set, as you can see here 1.4 1.4. So after interpolate a function fill all values in 1.4 1.4 1.4, because the our interpolate function guess data, what is the value to need to come in the place of nan type value. Okay, now you can see the string type value. The interpolate function not fill the string type value because it is not guess the string type value. It convert only those it fill only those value which is in numeric format, because interpolate function guess only the numeric value. Now you can see the parameters of with the help of if first we need to move our cursor in the middle of bracket and shift and press shift plus tab, you can see the other parameters of our interpolate function. So you can see it a linear, and other parameters you can see here, it a boolean, and as you can see the linear, time, index, paired, nearest, there are so many parameters in our interpolate function. So we can use with the help of method or time. So suppose we need to use it index parameter, so first we need to copy this, and suppose we need we paste here, and then pass simply here method equal to time or index. Okay, now run program. You can see it fill the nan value according to the index. According to index, when we use the method equal to index, the interpolate function fill all nan value or missing value in our data frame according to the this index. Now we see the another parameter of interpolate function. So first we need to paste our interpolate function, and first we need to move the cursor in the bracket and uh, enter shift plus tab. Okay, now you can see the other parameters. Okay, method equal to linear, and method equal to you can see the other detail related to the time, index, paired, nearest means this, if we use the nearest, it fill the nearest value in the column uh, where is the missing value or nn value, and the nearest value of the missing value, then the it fill the in the place of missing value the nearest value. Okay, so first we need to use the nearest. Here we write method equal to nearest, and then simply run this program. Okay, so you can see the star, it means it's under processing. Good. Now uh, you can see it fill the, because we have already the data frame, we use the data frame which is already filled. So first we need to call our data frame df, and now you can see the you can see the nearest value of nan is 1.4 1.4. So now we use the now we use this nearest parameter in the, so first in the interpolate function. So first we need to copy this and paste here. Now run. Okay, now you can see the nearest value of the missing value is 1.4, so it fill the 1.4. It is by default, you can see, you can observe here, is by default 1.4 is the nearest value. If they are these values are different, and the suppose here only one missing value, and the here you can here suppose 1.4, and here suppose 1.5, it take the nearest among them. Okay, so if the two values of the, if nearest value, if the two value are near in the missing value, it take the nearest value between the two values. Okay, so with the help of this interpolate function we can fill the missing values. Now we use the another parameter in the interpolate function which is a polynomial. Okay, So for this, first we need to copy this path and paste here. Now in the place of nearest we replace here polynomial. Okay, but with this parameter we need to specify the order of the polynomial. So first we need to write order equal to suppose 1, and then run. Now with the help of this parameter you can see we fill all the missing value or NaN value, which is a polynomial value. As you can see, as you can see the NaN value here. Or so because we write order 1, so it means the polynomial value of 1.4, and you can see here the polynomial value of 2.2, right? As you can see the polynomial value of 0.2 is 0.225 and 0.250. 0.225 and 0.250. The polynomial value of 0.2, because the interpolate function guess the nearest value, guess the values, what is the value you need to fill in the place of missing value or NaN value. So if we write here suppose order 2, you can see the difference between, you can see simply the difference between the last one and this. Okay, you can see the this are different, this is a different from the last when we write the order 1. So polynomial function fill all values with the help of polynomial with order. It is need to fill the order or to specify the order of polynomial. Okay, you can see this is the value of string type. So this interpolate function not able to guess the string value. It work only only on the numeric type of value. I think it is all of clear of you, because uh, if you have any type of problem, please write in comment section. And if you like this content, please hit the like button and share among the friends. Okay, thank you so much.